Hi, it's David here from Illumino IT. Hope everyone's having a really good weekend so far. And in the latest of our 2-minute explainer series, we're going to look at things that you can do to diagnose speed issues with your internet connection. When you contract an internet service, you'll be given an average speed that the service is expected to work at. Now, what do you do if the speed of your internet connection isn't anywhere close to this speed? First of all, it's important to note that the average speed quoted is the speed that you can expect at the router in your business premises or home, as opposed to the speed that you might expect arriving at your devices. The best way to check that you are getting the quoted speed to the router, at least as close as possible, is to connect a cable into one of the ports on the router, connect that cable to your device, be it a laptop or a desktop computer, go on the internet and run a speed test. So one option is speedtest.net. Run that speed test on your device and see what you get. That should be quite close to the quoted speed. When running a speed test, it's usually a good idea to try and choose the server that's closest to you so that distance doesn't have too much of an effect on the speed test. And also try running it across 2 or 3 different servers on offer. So now that we've verified that the internet connection is working as expected to the router, what happens if you're still not getting decent speeds to your devices? There can be a number of reasons why the speeds at your devices might not match up to those at the router. One of the main things to check is the frequency that your Wi-Fi router is working on. There are 2 frequencies possible, which are 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. The 2.4 GHz frequency tends to work better over longer distances, but the 5 GHz frequency will generally give you much faster speeds over short distances. So if you're generally quite close to the router, try switching to the 5 GHz mode. You might want to talk to your internet service provider if it's their router, or you might want to just check the instruction manual for your router to see how you can turn the 5 GHz mode on. You can generally have both of the modes working together, so you can connect to either or of the 5 or 2.4 GHz networks, and you'll find, hopefully, that connecting to the 5 GHz network will give you much faster speeds than connecting over 2.4 GHz. Another benefit of the 5 GHz band is that it's much less susceptible to interference from other devices. So this is especially important if you're in a shared office space where there might be lots of routers working at the same time, or you live in a block of flats. Some very brief tips there on checking and improving your internet connectivity speeds. If you're interested in finding out more, then please get in touch with us, Illumino IT, illuminoit.co.uk. Sign up to the newsletter if you want more tips such as these, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the next episode.